In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Figma design into Flutter code quickly and easily using a Figma plugin. This is a super useful workflow if you want to turn your design mockups into a Flutter layout without building everything from scratch. It can save you a ton of time, especially when you're working on apps, prototypes, or client projects. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma design and make sure the file you want to convert is ready on your screen. You'll want to be inside the design that contains the frame or screen you want to turn into Flutter code. Once you're in the file, look down at the bottom toolbar and click the Actions icon. This is where Figma keeps tools, shortcuts, plugins, and widgets that help you extend what Figma can do. After clicking Actions, choose Plugins and Widgets from the menu. This will open the section where you can search for third-party tools that connect directly to your design. Now in the search bar, type Figma to code. This is the plugin that will help generate Flutter code from your selected design frame. As you see the plugin appear in the results, select it and click Run. Figma will launch the plugin and prepare it to read your design elements. Next, select your frame. This is the most important part because the plugin can only generate code from the specific frame or screen you choose. Make sure you click the correct frame in your Figma file so the generated code matches the design you want. Once your frame is selected, go to the Flutter tab inside the plugin. This is where the plugin converts your Figma layout into Flutter-friendly code. Click the Flutter tab and you should see the generated layout code appear on screen. From there, copy the code and paste it into your Flutter project. You can then use it as a starting point for your UI and customize it further inside your editor. This is an excellent way to speed up your development process, especially if you want to move from design to production faster. If you're building Flutter apps regularly, this workflow can seriously improve your productivity. And that's it, you've now learned how to convert a Figma design into Flutter code using Figma to code. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.